Hi everyone, in today's video we will be painting this beautiful sunset painting in simple 4 steps. Now let's get started. Here is the material I am using in this painting. In the first step we are going to use these colors. So I have taken my flat brush. First we have to mix the color purple with white and we are going to apply the light purple on the top of the canvas like this, and then we have to take the color yellow and mixed with white, and you can add a little bit of yellow orange. Now you have a light shade of yellow and we are going to blend the color yellow with our purple, and here you can see I am blending the colors together. Now let's apply the color yellow orange. If you don't have the color yellow orange, no problem, you can mix the color orange with yellow, then you will get the color yellow orange, and I am going to apply the color here. Now let's take the color orange and I am going to apply the color with this yellow orange, and you can see in the horizon of the sky we are going to use more warm colors and we are going to blend all the colors together to get a beautiful view of the sky. I pasted tape here and I am going to take the color red, and now let's apply the color red here, and in this painting you can see I am going to blend the red with the orange. Now let's mix the color white with yellow and we are going to apply this light yellow in this place. So here I am using my flat brush and I am going to blend the color like this. Now it's time to paint the mountain. So here I am using my flat brush and I am going to add a little bit of red to this purple to make the purple little dark, and I am going to apply the colors here. First let's draw the outline of the mountain and then we can apply the colors. Now it's time to paint the sun in the sky. So first take the color yellow and I'm going to paint a circle in this place. Once the layer is completely dry, then we can take the color white and we can apply the color on the top of the circle like this. Now we have finished our first step. In the second step we are going to paint the water. So we are going to repeat the colors again. Here I am applying the color yellow orange thoroughly in the canvas and we are going to add the color yellow here. So we have to blend the colors together. So you can see there is a beautiful transition of colors. Now let's make the color little light. So here I added extra white to the yellow to have this light shade of yellow. So I am going to apply the color here. In the final step we have to add the color light purple. So here I had the color light purple. I am going to mix the light purple in this particular area. So here you can see I am mixing the color white with the purple to make the light purple, and I am going to apply the color here. So this is a very easy step to paint the water in this painting. All you need to do is take the colors and blend them together to have this flawless and beautiful transition of colors. Finally, let's add some red in this painting. So here I am going to add the color red. Now I am painting the reflection of the mountain. So here I use the color light purple and I am going to draw just a line in this area. Let's take the color burnt sienna to paint the trees and the boat in this painting. So first we have to take the color burnt sienna mixed with the black. So we will get a dark shade of brown. So first we need to paint the ground. So here I am using my round brush. So this is very easy to paint the ground. Now let's draw a straight line. So in this straight line will be our tree trunk. And now let's paint some small branches in this tree. So here I am using my round brush 0. It really helps me to paint a tiny and beautiful line. When you are painting the tree trunk or the branches, don't just draw the straight lines. You can add some curved line. It will make your painting more interesting. In this side of the tree trunk, I am going to apply the color burnt sienna. As the light source is coming in the center of the canvas, so we have to apply the color in this place. Once we finish painting the branches in the trees, then let's take the bristle brush and we are going to use the color burnt sienna mixed with the black, and we are going to use this dark brown shade to paint our tree foliage. Now you can see I am tapping the color in this palette and I am going to apply the color on my canvas. So all you need to do is just take the color and tap it in your canvas like this. But you have to remember one thing, your brush must be really dry, then you can get the beautiful result like this. I really like to paint sunset painting. The warm colors are always pleasing and it always my favorite. And if you are someone who loves nature, sun and the sky, then you will definitely like this sunset painting playlist. In this playlist you can see a variety of paintings, especially the sunset painting and the sky painting. In addition to this, I have given step-by-step instruction in these painting tutorials so you can learn and enjoy at the same time. Now let's take the color orange and apply the color here. Here I am using my flat brush and I am going to just move my brush from left to right and right to left like this to have this beautiful reflection of the sun in our water. Now let's paint the reflection of the trees in this painting. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Rexana. I am an acrylic painting artist. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. So if you find my tutorials are really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on my other social media platforms to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Draw some sleeping lines in this area to paint the reflection of the tree. Using the color light yellow, I am going to paint the water waves here. Now let's paint the boat. First I drew the image using my pencil. Now I am going to use my brush to paint the outline. Once we finish the outline, then we can fill the outline with black. I have given the link of the image in my description, so you can save the image so you can use it for your reference when you are painting. Here I am using my detailing brush to paint the tiny and minute lines. Now let's apply the color black. As it is a very small image, we need to be extra careful while applying the colors. Here I am painting the reflection of the boat. Take the color burnt sienna and apply the color in the reflection like this. In the final touch of the painting, I am going to paint some birds. It took me almost 5 hours to finish this painting and I really enjoyed the process. So when you are painting something very huge, you have to be really careful and patient. And now let's see the final result of this painting. I really like this painting and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial in my next video. Until then, have fun with colors.